Alright, I think everybody has a good idea from what I've seen to start out with. So, I just want to say a little bit before we get started that, like I mentioned in the beginning, we're letting you guys get into a lot more complicated stuff. So, I just want you guys to realize we're not going to finish everything by the end of tomorrow. But we're going to help you guys get through as much as you can and hopefully get something that you're happy with and that you could continue to work on if you'd like to after that. So, okay, we're already in pairs. So we're going to take the rest of the day and just split into two segments, and you guys need to pick which of you is going to work on your game first. Yep.
I copied it from my other game just so I can have a starting point, but it won't open every time I try it.
Yeah, alright, just a second. Everybody listen up, please. Alright, so we're ready to start, but I need you guys to decide which game you're going to work on first in each of your pairs.
Want to look first?
Your choice.
You can go first.
Okay.
I don't even have my fully thought out shit.
Okay, so you guys are doing tanks first.
Yeah.
And you guys? His game, which was what again? Remind me. Oh, the stomping one.
And I'm making it into a cowboy.
Okay, cool. And you guys?
We'll work on his first.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So the person whose game you're working on, you're going to be the navigator. Your partner's going to be the driver. So drivers, please put your game design away so you can help your partner, and we'll work on your game for the second half of the class. And you can go ahead and get started. I would recommend starting with getting your window up and getting some of the pieces that you need drawn on the screen.
I am sleeping.
Take out private image horse.
Go to file. There is the horsey.
No, the horse.
New window?
Where?
Oh, there. Okay.
It's a lot already.
Copy.
You can just edit it all in next. Edit it all in.
Read it?
Or you can type it. But okay.
Oh, delete that now.
Which horsey was image?
Yeah.
Go ahead, boss.
Actually, go Control C, Command Z, Command Z.
Okay.
So I should undo it?
Yeah, with the horse back. And then just take out dog.
No, I was testing you.
Okay.
I like horses also.
Okay, so what's the problem? Try it again?
Exception, the red is equal already there.
Jax.
Here, I know, I think it says something about main. Where do we type in main? There. That's where we typed in main.
You just press right.
Okay.
Press the first one.
So what you do first?
Of course. Image I or read get class. That's the same thing after the whole time.
Should I click it here? Should I click under it?
Take scheme and take. I don't see what the problem with that. Here, you go.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble.
So I tried playing it, but it won't work.
You tried what?
I tried starting the page, but it won't work.
Oh, okay. What happens? Okay, so it's saying there's an input it didn't expect. Can you click on that line that says tanks 50? Okay, so it's saying the problem is here. Usually this means that the file name
I think it's a
is
GIF.
spelled wrong or it's not in the right project.
Is it a GIF?
Yeah, let's
Oh, it's
scroll
gonna be a
down
wrong
over here.
project, okay. Yeah, take it
Yeah,
out.
so you'll have to move that. You can either change it there or
Here, for that.
Oh, yeah.
To file.
you do in this part?
It's the whole main, like the window dots.
From horse dot.
Drag or
Like,
or just copy.
so you do like this type of window where
No,
it
don't
opens
go
out.
over here. Scroll down.
So here, I'll type it in and show you. You do your program name, which
Okay,
is
go into tanks. Now put it down.
Here?
Yeah.
You just
So now
Run it.
there we go. Oh, so now it works. Close that.
Okay. I just like to run it.
And now take out the horse.
game
Where? Oh, the whole line here that we just.
equals
No,
new and the program
New
name.
I want to do it. And take out the image horse.
And then you
Take out
do
this whole
the
private
program.
integer part. Private,
Private image.
and then the private integers also.
All of them.
Yeah.
You're
'Cause
picky.
Because I don't know what I
Are
would
you
do.
supposed to put it in space?
But now all these are because
I know,
I'll
take those out.
You do
all
it like this. So it doesn't appear.
Did you decide?
I'm not going to delete that. Mouse.
Yeah, and then mostly you do that.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can
and
scroll just by going
for
up that
the
Yeah,
top
it's
here,
not working.
whatever you want to name the window, like on the top, like right here,
Yeah.
whatever you want to name it, like, do you want to have a name for it?
Okay.
Do you just want to name it this?
Now
Yeah.
So in the parentheses.
go to over here. Go down. Yeah, delete that and that.
Right.
The card. This part.
Yeah, but keep that curly brace in.
Window.
And now delete the frog.
Just put this mouse pad up here.
Game.
So what do I do?
You delete the frog.
Frog route.
Okay, now what do I want to do? Okay, so I had to make a line. So, go back to paint component.
And then window dot set visible.
We made it 1200, 1000. Okay. First line.
Where?
First line. Next line. Do G dot draw line.
How do you remember this?
I'm going back to this.
Do 0 900
900.
Operate.
to
Control space. No, default.
1200.
900.
And let's see how it works. Go to line.
That's the line you made.
I know.
Get it loaded. Just see.
It's like default close operation.
Okay, so go up to variables.
You deleted them.
I know. It's gonna be over here, I think, that purple class.
Exit on the 12.
Wait, is that right? Is that right? Where I'm putting the variable?
If you want to go variables, yeah.
Okay. So, private integer.
I'm not a dead.
Tank R.
Tank R.
Keep all the same. Equals,
Set default.
oh,
JFrame.
one, no, do take RX.
Okay. Tank X.
Are you guys doing alright so far?
Double. Take RX equals, I don't want to do B. Take RX would be 100. Semicolon. Fine. Private integer. Take
TP is an
RY.
operation.
Equals.
Default is spelled
Tankry.
Equals 8.
It's a nice fight.
Semicolon. And then do
It's
private
set
integer.
location. It's window dot set
Okay. Private
Which I
integer.
can too, no?
Yeah, it's okay. That's good. Private tank R. Private tank L.
And whatever you want, like, where do you want it to open on the screen?
Equals
The coordinates of it.
should be
What
11.
what do you mean by that?
Like you want it like this,
And
or
then
like that, or do you want it to
LY.
open the whole screen?
Oh, just like,
Tankly.
I don't know, from like the middle of the screen, I guess.
Alright,
Keep that
so
name.
that would be
Now go down.
Dude.
what down?
So your tank right and left spans 1,000 pixels.
Should be bigger. Oh, we didn't.
That's a lot.
The size.
No, it's not gonna be the whole tank. It's just where it's.
Sometimes you have to, yeah.
Okay.
You do
And then finder.
get.
Wait,
What?
did I already put that in? Tanks. Okay, never mind. Go IO exception.
What's that?
I don't know that whole code. Go to frog and go up. Go to where we were just at the IO exception.
One more.
I don't like using the mouse. I'm just
There.
going slow.
And then you just
And then
take out
copy the whole thing.
this whole thing until you churn.
Go down a little.
You churn. New.
No, take this one.
Oh, the horse image of it.
Copy that.
How big do you want it to be?
Here, just press Command C.
So you're gonna use the mouse.
And then go into tanks.
Command B.
And then go between the brackets. And Command B. And then change horse.
Return your dimension to our G fill open, G fill ready.
Horse.
So it's that big.
What is it?
Or do you want it bigger?
Okay, 1,000 by 2,000, sorry.
Go down a little?
Wait, should I replace it with tanks?
No.
Yeah, that's
We're
good.
here for this.
So then do you want it to be like higher so it's not like
Yeah,
all the way
higher.
down
Scroll down
I
a
can make
little.
it higher.
here? Right there. So
Snacks.
if
Well,
you
you're in
make it higher,
tanks.java, so that's you
It's
right
gonna be
there.
over there, I know. I
It's
thought I
called
put it in
horse.
already.
other way.
Should I put it in again?
Go.
HORSE.jpg. See
Let's
what
do it from here.
No, see what the
That's not what I wanted. I
look
had.
at the what the arrow is.
It's that the horse.
Why is the screen something like this?
Okay, go into the
Cannot find
horse.
symbol variable horse. Okay, go back up to main.
No, I don't want the horse. I
Make it
I
higher.
thought it had a different picture. So now go to
And,
some
I think,
and then do cartoon J.
yeah.
I already did that.
Now,
Wait, where did it get me? I have a question.
It was
Yeah.
there.
Look at the screen change.
Oh,
Put that,
well, you
drag
can
that one onto
go
the
into
desktop.
those
Which one?
windows, so
That
if
one.
I didn't
you
want
don't like that, you can push that.
That's gonna be the last.
You could have just saved it.
I thought he did.
No, you could have saved it like.
It doesn't matter. No, just put it. Just put
It's
it.
easier to like make it so it appears directly there.
It's okay. It doesn't take that long.
This just takes less. Fine.
graphics, just to G.
Just fine. Go down.
And delete this whole end.
We're in
And then what do you want? G
What do you want to name
dot
it?
draw
It's gonna be horse
something?
L.
Or do you want to put in the picture first?
Horse. Yeah, like which folder do you want to save it in?
It's gonna be the
House.
NetBeans projects.
I think it's already in. We're in house.
No,
Yeah, it's with all these.
So do you want to like have a line first, like with
Yeah,
the
let's
line,
do
like this line?
Yeah, so we can just drag it from here down to the one that you want.
Yeah.
and go up.
You'll
go down
private
line.
image
Wait,
phase.
horse alley, see?
Do you want to see throughout the whole screen?
Yeah, throughout the whole screen around right.
Right, so that would be.
I need a team facing up.
If I want it all the way on the side, would it be on the Y0?
No, on the X.
So I just save it again. Whoa. Look. It's in different ways. Jazz. What shall we name it?
It's gonna be tank R.
Y would be around. You want to
Tank.
Yeah.
Well, we got it to
like in the middle or higher?
Yeah, what matter? That's SVG.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, I don't think those will load.
We just have to type in it differently, right?
Then you
Yeah,
want
I'm
to
not
like
sure SVG
thin?
files will load. You might have to find a different.
I think we just need
You can try it real quick.
Okay.
And
So let's just see, there it is. Should we drag it down to, what, we needed tanks. That's at like the variable, so.
Oh,
Or actually, we should be able to convert it into a.
It's not like a
JPEG.
rectangle where it's
So
the
here?
x coordinate, y coordinate, length and width, but it's the first
No,
point
you have to go up
the
first.
second.
Where do you want to, what do you want?
So
So
it's
it's
where it
gonna be
begins and
private
ends.
under private
And
integer.
then that would be like 2,000 or 1,000.
Private.
Well, it would be the same
but then it's
y.
public, right?
So you want it the same right here, right?
Here.
So it'd still be 500.
Capital R.
So they'd all be 500?
No, it would be, so here's where your x is, you want it on this, and it's be 500, and then if you want it all the way to the
Take R.
end of the screen, it would be 2,000.
Okay, semicolon.
Or no, 1,000? Yeah,
And
1,000.
space, enter private image take out.
We're impressive.
We didn't drink, we didn't put tank L in here yet.
Oh, you switched them around, it should be 1,000 by 500.
I thought we put it in a house.
Horse L.
Do we put it as close out?
That's a bit
No.
much.
That's
Where's the
10,000, but it still works.
It could be horse out. Yeah, just this
Like, good enough if you want to hide
So
it.
just do like,
It was fun. Yeah.
it's that one.
Oh, it was 570.
Tank L.
Okay, remember that we did say it was take L. Go up. There we go, take L and evidence. Yeah.
Open it. See what it
Take L and take out. Perfect.
Private image.
Take
L.
and then
Semicolon.
and then go down to where the horse is.
It's crazy.
Now this is the,
And then change horse to tank R. And then do tank R dot.
Do you want it to be a color or?
can you make it brown?
What?
That's the
G.
Fine. Oh yeah, we didn't put it anywhere yet.
We have our beautiful line though. But wait, but then there's all this red writing.
What?
Makes me sad. I don't like red writing.
Yes.
We'll go back to it later. As long as it works, it works.
X,
Go back
Y,
over.
width, height. No.
No, to the semicolon, enter. Paste. And change from horse, take out.
What do you mean?
400?
Change horse to take out.
Okay.
And then do one more.
Tank L.
Yeah, do one more delete and just to make it next to each other.
Oh. Tank L.
And then it's gonna be take
You could just make it black.
take out the jobs.
What? Take that. We have two more, two more numbers.
And then go down to paint.
I'll do it later.
There, put it.
And
Do
now
not draw
do you
line.
want your image
You
on
pass it.
the line?
Pass it.
Yeah. Actually, can you make it like a
Okay. G dot draw image.
Like higher than me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Your capital I.
Like the line higher or?
Oh, no, sorry, but the person higher.
Okay.
It's gonna be tank R. Go.
It is already tank R.
And it's gonna be placed. Do take R. Take R. Tank. No, take RX.
Let's get the picture to there.
X.
And then take RY.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell
Y. Tank.
And then how big do we want it?
I think
Make
that's
150.
I think this
No,
is
it's
like.
gonna be 150. It's gonna be 100.
I thought if we're doing an image, I think we replace it with a no.
Yeah, but you need the next numbers.
Okay.
So it's gonna be. What did I say? 100. And then 50.
No, it's done.
And then no. And then try.
Run.
No,
What's the large?
You have to put it inside.
Yeah.
Not there.
Where did it place it? Was it?
So I also have to put it in this or?
Yeah, I think so.
I need to make sure.
Why are 3 of the dimensions?
Because those 3 are variables that we have up there.
Oh,
You
yeah.
scroll up to where the variables
Wait,
are.
tank R is not a variable. Tank R is the,
Yeah, take R is the thing, and then take RX and take RY.
here's our variables. tankery,
Our X is
tank
100.
or
And
Whoa.
draw, like, click and drag a rectangle around the tank.
from starting where?
Like, maybe out here.
We're gonna convert it to JPEG.
Yeah.
Control Shift.
Go.
I just moved it down.
Okay.
Oh, was that Command Shift 4?
Yep.
Cool.
Now look in Finder again, and make a new file, new Finder window.
No.
File.
Oh.
New Finder window. And go to Desktop.
Wait, is this the new final window?
Yeah.
Desktop.
And the screenshot one is the new one.
Wait, go to take our JPEG really fast. That's what I want.
What do we do for
That's
this?
good. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can just use that one.
Says,
Cool. So yeah, if you move this down, you can drag it into the
Then wait,
tanks
then
folder.
which one was the one that was the
I don't know.
SVG?
These are the
I remember this one was an SVG,
It's
right?
automatically
No, we got two. I remember getting it before, then I couldn't find it. It couldn't
Oh
find it.
yeah, you couldn't find it.
I put it in, and then I couldn't find it after. Okay, so move it over here. No,
we
move
better
this one page over
close
here.
this.
Now,
No, like move this page over here so we can see the other page. And then now drag it. Now drag this file.
Well, what do you want to
Wait,
do
but
next?
look,
You got the
in
images.
here,
And we had the SVG.
it's an
No,
SVG, but in here, it's
a JPEG.
so confusing.
What do you want to do with them?
No, here, take that. Just that one. Drag it. Okay. Yeah. Close both of those.
Alright, how do you want to do that?
Now close that.
Key.
Close that. And then go to
backwards and
go to
forwards.
the top
Scroll
where
down and
the
backwards.
private integer stuff.
How do we get that?
Go to private image tank R. Make the R big.
What?
Upper.
Don't make it move.
Oh, he's
Okay. And go down.
What do you want to do then?
Where the horse image is.
So you want
Go down
key
just a little.
to
Yeah. Make tank R tank big.
start an action?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the action
We're
going
gonna
to be?
key. And then same thing
then-
over here.
Yeah. Make this big R.
Okay.
Also.
Well, but
What's it
I
gonna
thought
look
it's
like?
not an SVG anymore.
Yeah. I changed it to JPEG. JPEG.
JPEG.
No, it's an EGS.
Oh, come on,
It's right there.
every time.
Okay,
That's what it's called.
so we'll have to start with.
No EG.
So
Yeah.
we've got
Now
like the
go over
starting
here, make
state
that one
right now
big.
is what's being drawn.
JPEG. Hee hee.
Open.
So yeah, that'd be around. And then
Save.
would be
Why can't I save it? I want to save.
do you want Sam or Claire?
No, I think we did. It's just that it didn't change it to the other one.
That works.
Can you drag it out? You might have to drag it out again
Where is it?
into Finder.
How about we put it on our
Drag it.
desktop?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You have to give
Yeah.
it a
Now we
color.
can let's keep it open just in case. Now we can. We don't need to get rid of tank out and tank R.
Can you make it red?
No.
Alright, I need you guys to stop.
Okay, let me see if
And if your program's running, can you just show everybody where you're at? Or where you got to so far? Okay, can you guys go first? Everybody come on over.
we're trying to crawl.
Hang on. We're waiting for Aton and Joshua. Okay, go
We're
ahead.
trying to crop and edit it, and I'm making a battlefield.
Cool. And you got your tanks up. Okay, you guys show yours next.
We didn't really do much yet, but we just
So
made that.
there's supposed to be like blocks down here that are moving.
It's
Cool.
supposed to be an original. It's still under big development.